Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for the Zoom app on your laptop. First, open your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and navigate directly to the official Zoom website. Look for the download link, which is usually found at the top or bottom of the page. Then, click to download the correct Zoom application installer designed for your specific operating system, whether it is Windows or Mac OS. This ensures you get the legitimate and most compatible version for your device. Once the download is complete, find the installer file, often in your Downloads folder, and double-click it to begin the installation. Follow the simple on-screen instructions, which typically involve clicking next a few times and agreeing to the terms. After installation, launch the Zoom application from your desktop shortcut or the Start menu. Inside the app, you will see an option like Sign Up Free or New Account, which you should click to start creating your profile. Now, the app will prompt you to enter some personal details. First, carefully type your active email address into the provided input box. This will be crucial for verification. Next, you will need to input your date of birth, which helps confirm you meet the age requirements for using the service. Double-check that all the information you have entered is completely accurate before moving forward to the next step, as this ensures a smooth account creation process. After submitting your details, you will need to verify your email. Check your email inbox for a message from Zoom. It might be in your spam folder, so check there too. Inside the email, click the activation link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Zoom application on your laptop and finish any remaining registration fields. Create a strong, unique password for your new account, combining letters, numbers, and symbols to maximize security for your new account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.